Hello everyone, this is John from Lara Finance. Welcome back to our channel. We are with you on 5th of January afternoon analysis. Alright, before we starting our charts, I will just share some news with you. ADP data, private sector employment data, has been released in US 1 hour ago, and it was all positive. So expected number consensus was 400,000 people to be hired, but on the last month, on December, the private sector has hired 807,000 people. So it's just double, more than double of the expectation. Main reason for this is resigning people. So a lot of people, just remember on Tuesday we have received the data. The biggest job quits has happened in US history, 4.5 million people. So these people have left their jobs, so private sector has hired some other people in this moment, in this point. And if you just think about it, if you just think about something like this, so still there is a labor shortage. That's why market right now is reacting on bad way. Normally, like if that's a positive thing, we would expect a dollar index to go up, but right now dollar index is just getting lower and lower. And FOMC, if we don't see a really good sign on rate hike from FOMC tonight, we will see lower level of dollar index. That will be all like that. All right, let's start with our charts. First chart is Ethereum, and as you can see here, Ethereum is just struggling on this resistance, which is 3,800 levels. At this level it is just struggling and then cannot go over this resistance area. If it can hold there, we can just say, all right, it will try 4,000 levels again, but it's not happening. So it is just making everything is complicated. That's the main reason right now. So for crypto market, let me just share my opinion with you. So on recent days, I'm just checking the big wallets on the market. If you just make your research properly, you will see big whales, how they are trading, which cryptocurrency they are buying. You can just see them all. There is a transparency. That's a backdoor. It's not a backdoor. Like that's the claim of the cryptocurrency. They say like we are just open. So like if you just know how to use that one, you just see that it's happening. You can just track them. So many of them, for example, today I just discovered a whale. I can say whale for him or her because in balance, like he has like a 5 billion US dollar, and right now almost $2 billion is on stable coins. So they are still waiting for low levels to get inside these coins, the new ones. That's why I can just say this is how it is happening. So they still look for lower levels of these cryptocurrencies. When they start to move their money from stable coins to other coins, then we will just see some move up to higher levels. Then we will just start on some bullish sentiment, but right now we cannot say that one. It's all still struggling to go higher. Even lower level can be tested, just like at the end of on December last year. And as you can see, a sharp decline. If it just spent so much time on here, just like here, we may see lower level than these levels. That's critical. It has to make its move and then go forward, otherwise it will just go down again. All right, let's look at our next chart.
You are ready to win with us. GAN Markets.
All right, GBP, Japanese yen. Finally, it's just showing some progress, and then it's just declining some reason. And Bank of Japan just said, all right, we have to check our monetary policy for the long term. It's just devaluating so fast, and then this may not be the proper way to act and then trade in that one. Yeah, for a currency, just like Turkish lira and some other currencies recently, they are just losing value so fast, and then this is not good for the producers, traders, and other people. There should be a balance on that one. Let's just look at it. Just let me just show you this one. Just show me this one. You see, all right, there is something like going on, but after a decline, still something going on down. But right now, from the mid of December, it is just GBP is just gaining value against Japanese yen for the last 15 days. No easing, just the last candles, just the last few, like just one day. It's just relaxing, but it's not end of these relaxation. This is like this devaluation, sorry, devaluation. And so we still expect, because we didn't touch the support line, still it can go up, but Bank of Japan will just decide their monetary policy. Then we can just open a sell position for the correction of these currency pair and make really good money on this. Just watch that. It's really good asset and then currency pair to be traded right now. All right, the price of USD CAD. This is the last chart of the day of the video, and this currency pair is just going down. USD CAD is just going down, and there is two things: oil prices and dollar index. Oil prices is rising, and this is good for Canadian dollar, but at the same time, dollar index is lowering. So this means dollar is the making dollar less valuable against Canadian dollar, and it is declining. But at some point, when dollar index start to rise, and also at the same time when we see oil prices easing and then from its high levels, then we will see a backside rebound from these places to upside with a buy position. So until then you can just watch that, but please take to your watch list. Definitely it will just go up when these things happen. Dollar index will go up first, then oil prices go down. When these two happens, we will see higher level of USD CAD, and then you can make good money on buy side. All right, thanks so much for watching us. We will be together on more news, and then we will cover more charts with you tomorrow morning. Bye.